Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Africa Oil and Power, it is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you to the Mozambique Gas and Power Program. My name is Renee Montes Avenir, Managing Director of AOP. As an official announcement, we hereby notify you that due to unforeseen circumstances, the presidential ceremony is postponed until further notice. However, we would like to take this opportunity to thank the incredible support that the Ministry has shown to not only AOP, but to the region in propelling the electrification of the nation. As a form of a prelude to the live event that the Mozambique Gas and Power is set to deliver soon, we have a stellar lineup in store for all of you. Please do stay tuned to the thought-provoking discussions that will be delivered tomorrow, which will encompass local content roundtable discussion hosted by Deloitte and the presentation delivered by Polati, which is around added value and localization maximization. This is followed by a thought-provoking leadership discussion around gas to power hosted by TAQA Arabia. And without further ado, I would like to welcome Ms. Miquelina Menezes, President of Women of Energy in Mozambique, to conduct an opening address.
Good morning, everybody, and thank you for this opportunity to present our platform. The Mozambique Women of Energy is a platform that women can work together and can create capacity to the others to be together and to qualify women in the energy sector. First of all, I would like to say to all women, to all international women, that's a special day today. So I would like to congratulate all of us, because myself I am in, and I would like to congratulate all the women because it's important day for all of us. The invitation that we received is to speak about the electricity or energy in Mozambique, how it will come. Really, we have here in Mozambique a lot of projects, and the aim issue is to have until 2030 is to achieve everybody in Mozambique. But it's not easy. It's not something very easy. It will take some time. But now we have about, I can say 30% of the people has already electricity from the EDM, the utility. But there are a lot of projects that are being developing using renewable energy. That is one of the way to achieve all the people and to be in the rural areas mainly, because the rural areas is where they need energy. When we speak about energy, it's not only to have electricity, it's to have all the conditions that we can use electricity or energy to develop the quality of the life. For example, in the rural areas, we have the schools, the clinics, and it is important that we in a clinic, in a school, to have electricity. That is the reason that there are a lot of projects that are being developing for several organizations to achieve these mainly these principal stakeholders. We have small projects that are developing by small companies that are going to rural areas and with different kind of projects that are important for the people living in that areas. So I would like to say that Mozambique is going in the right way to achieve this goal, to have energy for all. There are the projects from the government that it is to achieve until 2024, I think, that most of the people will have electricity. And there are a lot of small projects, but we have this problem of COVID-19 that creates some problems to us, that create, how can I say, we are delaying some of the projects, and it's taken more time to develop this project because of COVID-19. But we are working. We have not stopped. We are working on that. So I think that we will achieve the goal that it was established, because electricity, energy is very important for all the people, for all the women mainly. If we speak about cooking for women, it's very important because they need to have other conditions to cook, and for all the family in the rural areas. I would like to say thank you for this opportunity, that we can give some information about how it will work with energy in this time, and we hope to achieve the goal. And thank you everybody, and thank you the organization to allow us to participate in this important conference in this way that it's. Thank you very much, and again congratulations for all the women, for all international women. Thank you very much.
Indeed, congratulations to all the amazing women. Thank you so much, Ms. Menezes, for joining us. and gracing us with your presence at today's show. I feel like this is an opening in terms of our footprint of what we can do as AOP. So thank you so much, and happy International Women's Day to you, Women of Excellence. And thank you, audience, for tuning in. Please do not forget to come back tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp for registration, as we will be starting the session to kick off at 9:30. So come back at 8 a.m., have a cup of coffee, interact. Oh, there's my name that pops up. My name is Yelisa, Program Director for AOP. So thank you once again for joining, and we'll see you at 8 a.m. sharp for registration, which will kick off the session at 9:30. Goodbye for all.